Start with the great name of Allah, who is most kind and most merciful. Hello viewers, it's your host Bhairana Mogeri, student of Business Administration from Sindhu University campus Larkano, and this video is recorded for the basis of final term in critical situation of the COVID-19, and this video is supervised by Sir Muhammad Ali Sheikh. The pillars of Islam. Five pillars consist of Shahadat, sincerely reciting the Muslim profession of the faith; Salat, performing ritual prayers in the proper way 5 times each day; Zakat, paying an alms or charity takes to benefit the poor and the needy; Swam, fasting during the month of Ramadan; and last is Hajj, pilgrim to Makkah. Shahadat, there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, his messenger. This is the basic statement of the Islam faith. Anyone who cannot recite this wholeheartedly is not a Muslim. When a Muslim recited these proclaim that Allah is the only one and the Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet, that their personality accept this is a true, they will obey all the commandments of the Islam in their life. The Shahadat is the first of the 5 pillars of Islam. Salat. Salat is the obligatory Muslim prayer performed 5 times each day by a Muslim. That is the second pillar of the Islam. Good ordered Muslim to pray at 5 set times of the day. Salat al-Fajr down before sunrise. Salat al-Zuhr mid after the sun passes is the highest. Salat al-Asr the late part of the afternoon. Salat al-Maghrib just after sunset, and Salat al-Isha between sunset and midnight. All Muslims try to do this. Muslim children as a young as a 7 are encouraged to pray. Prayers of body, mind and soul. They said prayers are not just a process to be spoken. Prayers for a Muslim involves uniting mind, souls and body in worship. So a Muslim carrying out these prayers will perform a whole series of set movements that go with the words of the prayers. Zakat. Zakat is the compulsory giving of a set proportions of one's wealth to charity. It is regarded as a type of the worship and of the self perfections. Zakat is the third pillar of the Islam. Zakat does not refer to a charitable gift given out of the kindness or a generosity, but it is this systematic giving of the 2.5% of the one we help each other to be a benefit of a poor. The benefits of the zakat apart from the helping the poor are as a follower. Obeying God. The 2.5% rate only applies to cash, gold and silver and chemical items. There are other rates for farm and mining produce and for animals. Fast. Swam is a fasting. It is the 4th pillar of the Islam. During the 19 or 30 days of Ramadan, all adult Muslims must give up the following things during the hours of the daylight: food or drink of any sort, smoking including passive smoking. Muslims who are physically or medically unwell may be excused some of these, as may those who are under 12 years old, the very old, these who are pregnant, breastfeeding and menstruating, to traveling. If an adult does not fast for the reasons above, they should try to make up the fast a later date or make donations to the poor instead. There are many good reasons for this fast, including obey God, become spiritually strong, appreciating God's gift to us, sharing the suffering of the poor, and developing sympathy for them. The month of the Ramadan ends with the festival of Eid al-Fitr. This is made by dressing up and visiting the mosque for a prayer, and with the visit of the family and the friend of celebratory meals. Hajj. For Muslims, the Hajj is the fifth and final pillar of the Islam. It occurs in the month of the Zulhijjah, which is the 12th month of the Islamic calendar. One of the year Muslims of the very ethnic group, color, social status, and the culture gather together Makkah and stand before the Kaaba praising Allah together. The festival commentaries the obedience of the Prophet Ibrahim when he was ordered to sacrifice the son Ismail. The Hajj or pilgrims was a semi-white clothes called Ihram. Makkah is the place that is the holy all Muslim. It is so holy that no non-Muslims is allowed to entry. At the end of the Hajj, Muslims from the world celebrate the holiday known as Eid al-Adha, or a festival of the sacrifice. Now I am telling you angels. How many groups are the angels? Divide into what are their duties? Only Allah known as the number of the angels. There is no clear information about the number of angels in the Quran and the Hadith. However, it is possible for us to say they are far more than can count based upon Hadith. Moreover, according to a news given by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the angel comes to the earth with the drop of rain, and its seen the turn does not come again. We can range the famous angel. Their duties are as follows. Jibreel alayhi salam. Jibreel alayhi salam is one of the four greatest angels. He is appointed to convey relationship to the Prophet by Allah in 3 places of the Quran. His name is Jibreel. Beside, he is mentioned in verse as the Spirit, Rasul Kareem, Ruhul Amin, and Ruhul Quddus. In addition to these, in one of the hadiths, he is called Namas. The angel of Sur, the trumpet, Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam. He angel that will blow the trumpet is called Israfil. His name is mentioned among the 4 great angels in the hadith. Israfil will blow 2 times. In the first one the doomsday will occur, and the second blowing the resurrections will occur. Because of this duty of him, he is called the angel of Sur, the trumpet. When a Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is asked about the nature of the trumpet, he answered, a hurun that is blue Ahmad bin Hanbal. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said the Israfil is awaiting the order of blowing while the grave the trumpet. Tabaril Jamul Bayan in Kathir Tasfirul Quran al-Azim. The angel of the death, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. His duty is to grave the soul of the peoples whose death time have come. He is called Malakul Maut, that is the angel of death. Say, the angel of the death, put in the charge. If you will delay, take your soul, then shall ye be throat back to your Lord. Surah Al-Sajda. The angels that control the events in the realm, Hazrat Mikael alayhi salam, are Michael. He is one of the greatest angels of all, and he is responsible of the pouring of rain, the blowing of the wind, nature events such as the ordering of the season and the management of the supplications of the created beings. He is only mentioned in one place of the Quran. Hazrat Mikael is the angel that manage the divine work of the arts that are the planted one of the field of the earth with the power of Allah and His order. The day of judgment. I am telling about the day of judgment. The day of judgment is the believed to be a God, Allah, final assignment of the humanity. The sequence of event according to be a most commonly held belief is the annihilation of all creatures, resurrections of the body, and the judgment of the all sentient creatures. And it is a time where everyone would be shown her deeds and actions with justice. Diagram of the plain assembly. Aradul Hashar. On the day of judgment, from the autograph manuscript of the Futuhat al-Makkiyah by a Sufi mystic and the philosopher Ibn al-Arabi, can 1238, shown at the Arsian throne of the God, pulpits for the writers Al-Aminun, 7 rows of the angels, Jibrails, Al-Ruh, Al-Rauf, the barrier of the pound of the abundance, Al-Maqam, Al-Mahmud, Al-Praiseworthy stations where are the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, will stand, then created for the faithful, Mizan, the scale as a Sirat, the barrage, Jahannam, hell, and the Marj al-Jannat, meadow of the paradise. The exact time when these events are supposed to occur is unknown. However, these are said to be a major and a minor seconds, which are occur near the time of Qiyamah and time. It is the belief that parallel to the time of Qiyamah, 2 dangerous evil tribes called Yajuj and Majuj are released from the dam, resembling the wall that Allah makes stronger every day. Other things being the coming of Isa ibn al-Maryam is called, the other name is Jesus. Appearance of the Antichrist, Al-Mahashil, Dajjal, the sun rising from the west and the beast of the earth. Also other things like the blowing of the first trump by the Archangel Israfil, the coming of the rain of the mercy that will cause humans to regrow from their ages. See also many verses of the Quran, especially other earlier ones, they are dominated by the idea of the nearing of the day of restrictions. Belief in Judgment Day as considered as the fundamental tenet of the faith by all Muslims. It is one of the 6 articles of the faith. The trials and the tribulations associated with all the detail in both are the Quran and the Hadith sayings of Muhammad. Hence, they are added in the commentaries of the Islamic expositors and the scholars authorities such as Al-Ghazali, Ibn al-Khatir, Ibn al-Majah, Muhammad al-Bukhari, and Ibn Khuzama, who explain them the detail. Every human, Muslim and non-Muslim alike, is believed to be held accountable for their deeds, and they believed to be the judged by Allah according. Thanks for watching.